diagnosing the Kia Optima 2014 model that the AC is inconsistent. I want to dive in and let's see what she got. The optimal cooling is actually guaranteed already. However, the consistency is a cause to concern which I'm currently dealing with. If you watch the previous episode, which we're making a test drive, we shut the AC down and put it back on, and it still works. However, this time, because the problem often occurs when you shut down the engine down, so this time I've got my scanner here, which is still recording, and the readings are looking very nice. So I want to go ahead to check how many voltage that the system is supplying to the compressor, solenoid control valve, because it's a variable distribution compressor. So I can be able to take a look at it when I put off the engine and put it back on, when the compressor is not responding like it wasn't responding previously. Let me know who is responsible. Is it the climate control systems, because that is where that's controlling, that's sending power to the variable displacement compressor, solenoid control valve, or is it the solenoid control valve, because it cannot get out of this two. However, I've known that when the variable displacement compressor is gone, it's not going to be playing a ping pong game, you know, it's not going to be playing a piano with someone's feelings. So I want to know exactly what the problem is right now. So I'm going to go ahead, let me take you guys and walk you guys. I'll set up my scanner here and seeing the live stream data, which you can see right now. The compressor is on and the AC is working here, and you can see the readings is around 15 degrees Celsius, and that's the temperature in the evaporator. Thermistor ambient temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So let me go and show you, because I parked in the pit here where I'm taking the voltage readings, because I can't see it through the live stream data. Now over here I've hooked up my multimeter, and you can see right here on the power that connects to the solenoid control valve, which is underneath this pit here. So you can see it right there. I tapped on the power going there. And be careful if you're tapping like this so that you don't short circuit it. So the power is pretty much consistent, going between 12.5, 12.6, 12.7, right? So here is the ambient temperature sensor. So I want to go back and shut the AC and see how many power that comes in here. Then I'll put it back on. Want to play with it and see where the problem is coming from. That's the only way we can be able to recreate the situation. So here right now, I'm gonna go ahead and okay, let's do one trick. Let's lower the let's set the thermostat. Let's increase it from low to 18 degrees Celsius. Or 19. Let's put it 19. Okay, let's go and take a look at the reading there again on the compressor. Or let's in order to create a really good listen, let's take it to 20. Keep it at 20. Okay, let's go down there and take a look at it. Then after then, we shut off the AC. Then we'll see the power that's coming there. We'll put it back on. Okay, there is not much difference. It's sending pretty much the same power. Now let's go back. This time I want to shut down the AC, and we'll be monitoring everything on the live stream data here. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the AC. Now we've shut off the AC with the engine on. Let's go and take a look at it. On the diagnostics is confirmed. Let's go underneath the car and take a look at the readings we're going to be getting. Definitely should be somewhere around 0 or 5. Okay, what we have here is 0.1, 0.190, okay, 0.1 9 points. That's millivolts right there. Okay, so let's go back and on the AC system. Want to track where this inconsistency is coming from, who is responsible. I put on the AC back. Okay, there is a sound it makes right there. I am surprised because the cooling effect is still powerful as it is. It's not acting up. It's not blowing a mist of air and cold air and warm air. So let's take this back to low that it was previously. Okay, so everything is still good here. I think this car is really pulling, but we're gonna catch it on its own game today. So what I want to do next is since it often occurs when I shut down the car, when I put the AC back on, the compressor will not respond. So I'm certain by now, even at this point, is allowing a very reasonable amount of power to go to the compressor, which is around 12.5, 12.6, 12.7. So let's confirm that, then we'll come back and shut down the AC, then shut down the car. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's nice and it's consistent. Okay, so let's go and do it. So first thing first, we shut down the AC, and next we shut down the car. One, confirmed. Okay, the intake potentiometer is actually the amperage which the system pulls. So let's put it back on again and monitor it. Okay, it should take about 80, 90. That's what the intake potentiometer should be when the AC is on. So if it's around this reading when the AC is on, it means the compressor is not doing its job. So let's go ahead and shut it down. Now let's shut down the car. This is the moment of the truth, guys. We shut down the car. Car is shut down. Okay, wanna go down there. It should be zero. It should be zero. Then we go back inside. We start up the car. It's 0, 0, 0. So no voltage left. No power left. Maybe this car can actually trick. Now if we power it on right now, the AC is gonna work perfectly fine. But if you leave it for a while, then maybe that's where the problem is gonna kick in again. So, but at least we have a base point where to look at. So let's start the engine. Step on the gas, the brake pedal. Here we go. Okay, let's punch in the AC and see what happens. Oh, lovely. Let's go ahead and look back the live stream data. I think at this very point here, okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and look at the live stream data here. Invalid because we need to come back. System selection, aircon, yes. Okay, let's go through the live stream data. Okay, everything stews as it was. So it responded without any hesitation this time. Okay. So guys, this has been quite a very good experiment, which we're trying to know who is responsible, who is causing this very mess. But for the time being, while waiting, I'm gonna be going to add some oil into the system because I don't want any shit show to go on here. The system is working very fine. Maybe I'm gonna off it right now. When I come back to bring in the oil, I put it back on again and let's see what happens. It's consistent. Off, then shut down the car. Okay, I'm gonna be back.